Hello students, I am Kalachelvi, Department of Chemistry, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now we have to see carboxylic acids, organic compounds which contain the carboxyl functional group, that is COOH, are called carboxylic acids. Their general formula is RC double bond O OH. What are carboxylic acid? The name carboxyl is derived from carbonyl, that is C double bond O, and hydroxyl, that is OH, because in the carboxyl group these two groups are directly bonded to each other. The properties of the carboxyl group are not simply those of carbonyl and hydroxyl groups combined. The two groups interact to give carboxylic acids their own distinctive properties. Carboxylic acids are further classified as monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acids, tricarboxylic acids, etc. according as the number of COOH groups present in the molecule is 1, 2, 3 or more. The long chain monocarboxylic acids are commonly called fatty acids because many of them are obtained by the hydrolysis of animals, fats and vegetable oils. Belong to a homologous series of organic compounds similar to alkanes, alkenes and alcohols. The hydrocarbon chains that contain the functional group COOH. So here this is a structural formula of carboxylic acid, C double bond O OH, and this is a chemical formula, CH3 COOH or CH3 CO2H. So this is the naming of carboxylic acids. How the carboxylic acids are named? There are three ways of naming carboxylic acids. One is common system, second one is a derived system, and third one is IUPAC system. The simple carboxylic acids are better known by their common names. The common names are usually derived from the Latin or Greek word that indicates the original source of the acid. They do not follow any rule except that all common names of acids end in ic acid. For example, HCOOH is called formic acid. CH3COOH is called acetic acid. These are the common names. CH3, CH2COOH is called propanoic acid. So in the common system, Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. are used to indicate the position of substituents. The carbon atom adjacent to the carboxyl carbon is assigned the letter alpha, the extant carbon on the chain beta, the next one gamma, and so on. For example, CH3, CH3, COOH. So here the alpha carbon having one substitution, methyl substitution. So this compound is called alpha methyl propanoic acid. Next one is a derived system. Some carboxylic acids may be named as substituted acids, acetic acids. For example, CH3 thrice COOH. So here the CH3 thrice are substituted in acetic acid from replacing 3 hydrogen. So the derived name is trimethyl acetic acid. The another example is C6H5CH2COOH. So this compound is called a phenyl acetic acid. So the phenyl group is substituted in acetic acid. So it is called a phenyl acetic acid. Then the last important method is IUPAC system. In the IUPAC system, the carboxylic acids are named as alkanoic acids. The systematic name of the individual acid is obtained by replacing the ending E of the corresponding alkane by oic acid. So here I will give the 3 examples. The first one is HC double bond OOH. So here only one carbon atoms are present. So the parent name is methane. So from methane we have to remove E and add oic acid. So the compound is called a methanoic acid. The second one is CH3 C double bond OOH. So here 2 carbon atoms are present. So the alkane name is ethane. So from remove E from ethane and add oic acid. So the compound is called ethanoic acid. And the third one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, OH. So totally 3 carbon atoms are present. So the parent alkane name is propane. We have to remove E from propane and add oic acid. So the third compound is called propanoic acid. So this is another example. This is a ethane. CH3, CH3. So replace the E with oic acid at the end of the name of the hydrocarbon. So here replace E from ethane and add oic acid. So CH3, C double bond OH, that is ethanoic acid. So this is the physical properties of acids. Lower carboxylic acids are liquids with a sharp or disagreeable odors. Higher numbers are wax-like solids and almost colorless, odorless. Boiling points of carboxylic acids increase regularly with increase in molecular weight. Melting points of carboxylic acids increase irregularly with the increase of molecular weight. So the even members have markedly higher boiling points than odd numbers. Boiling points of carboxylic acids are higher than those of alcohols of some molecular weight. In IR spectrum, carboxylic acids show a broad OH stretching frequencies at 2500 to 3300 centimeter inverse, which overlap the normally sharp CH stretching band. They also show carbonyl stretching frequency at 1710 to 1720 centimeter inverse. So these are some chemical properties of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids involved in many more reactions. For example, deprotonation, reduction, nucleophilic acyl substitution, alpha substitutions, salt formation reactions, formation of esters, formation of amides, formation of acid halides, formation of anhydrides, etc. As carboxylic acid is weak, its reactions produce the same outcomes as those learnt from the chapter of acids, bases and salts. But the reactions are less vigorous. So weak acids having pH is equal to 3. Most of the acids are unionized in water. So this is acid property. This is a salt formation reaction. So carboxylic acids react with the hydroxides, carbonates, bicarbonates to form the corresponding salts. For example, the CH3COOH acetic acid, when reacted with the sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium acetate plus water. So the carboxylic acids can be regenerated by treating these salts with dilute mineral acids, for example HCl. So the sodium acetate, when reacted with the HCl, the acids are regenerated. It gives acetic acid and NaCl. So this is acid properties. Reaction with reactive metals. So the acid reactive with the metals, it forms a salt and a hydrogen. So here I will give a magnesium metal. So the acetic acid reactive with the magnesium metal, it gives magnesium acetate, that is salt plus hydrogen. So this is reaction with the carbonates. So already I told carboxylic acids react with the hydroxide, carbonates and bicarbonates to form the corresponding salts. So acetic acid react with the sodium carbonate. It gives sodium acetate and carbon dioxide and water. So this is the uses of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids, that is ethanoic acid, is the most organic acids. It is used in vinegar as preservative and flavorings. So these are other important organic acids. Lactic acid, where it is found in sour milk. Oxalic acid, it is found in rhubarb plant. Citric acid, where it is found in limes and lemons. Formic acid, which is found in insect bites. Tartaric acid, where it is found in grape juice, acetic acid found in vinegar, malic acid found in apples and pears. So the applications are more. Organic acids are used to making drugs, dyes, paints, insecticides, plastics, and also it is very useful to making of esters. Thank you.